Someone recently asked me if getting into Tesla's manufacturing development program is basically a golden ticket. And yeah, it sort of is. We're talking about hands-on experience at the world's most aggressively innovative car company. Not a bad place to learn. See, Tesla doesn't wait for you to figure things out in a classroom. You're working in the trenches, optimizing machines that spit out parts at ridiculous speeds, making contributions that could literally shave seconds and millions off production time. Most entry-level manufacturing jobs are kind of soul-sucking. You push a button, wait, push again. At Tesla, they throw you into the heart of automation, robotics, lean design, and industrial software. It's like skipping 5 years of career ladder climbing. What people misunderstand is how targeted this program is. It's not just sweaty factory work. It's about building systems that break world records, literally. Tesla's Shanghai plant went up in less than a year. The playbook from that, you get to study it. They're not looking for you to be some technical savant coming in. You need hustle, curiosity, and coachability. If your idea of problem solving is asking ChatGPT for help, you might get eaten alive. Tesla will test your initiative more than your IQ. You get mentored by engineers who left aerospace and software startups to reinvent car building. You're not taking orders from exhausted middle managers. You're troubleshooting real-time problems with people who think like inventors. Here's the pain point they don't put on the recruiting page. The pace is relentless. If you're someone who gets overwhelmed by ambiguous goals or shifting targets, the stress will hit you like a tsunami. But stress builds diamonds, right? The upside? Tesla compresses time. A year there feels like 3 anywhere else. You build a portfolio of accomplishments that recruiters drool over. Even if you leave, you've basically armed yourself with a cheat code for your next 20 years. They rotate you through areas like stamping, general assembly, body in white, and energy optimization. You start seeing manufacturing as a giant jigsaw puzzle. And the moment it clicks, that's when you feel dangerous. One guy I met through LinkedIn said within 18 months of the program, he had automated a welding cell that saved the company 6 figures per quarter. He didn't even finish college, just kept learning after work. Tesla noticed. They always notice. It's not glamorous. You're in PPE, standing in noise, sometimes fixing machines at 2 a.m. But it's thrilling in the way that startups used to be before they were all about slide decks and SaaS. You're helping launch literal hardware into the world. If you're 19, 27, or even 35 and feeling stuck, you might want to apply. Whether you stay or go, 3 years in this program can make you 10x more valuable than your peers. And like I tell people, manufacturing is back. Tesla just lit the match.